Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you've been here before. In today's video, we are making a blueberry lemon cheesecake cake. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. Here we have the ingredients for the cake. Here we have a flour, baking powder, salt, granulated sugar, eggs, butter, unsalted butter, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, lemon zest, and blueberries coated in flour. In the bowl, I have the butter. I'm going to turn the mixer on and add the granulated sugar, and then I'm going to add the vegetable oil. After that, I'm going to go in with the eggs. Now I'm going to go in with the flour and the milk. I'm going to alternate. I'm going to start with the flour and I'm going to end with the flour. So now I'm going to add the vanilla extract and the lemon zest. Once I get that well combined, I'm going to remove this batter from the mixer bowl, place it in another bowl, and get started on the cheesecake mixture. We're going to fold the blueberries in right before we assemble the cake. All right, so I'm going to place this mixture in another bowl and we'll be right back to get started on the cheesecake. Here are the ingredients for the cheesecake. Again, the measurements will be down below in the description box. We have cream cheese, sour cream, eggs, vanilla extract, granulated sugar. So now we're going to get started on the cheesecake. In the bowl, I have the cream cheese. I'm going to turn the mixer on, mix this a bit, and then I'm going to go in with the granulated sugar and vanilla extract. Then I'm going to add the eggs and the sour cream. Okay, so let me go ahead, remove this bowl, put the mixer up, and then we'll be back to assemble the cake. So here we have the cake batter. I am now going to go in and fold in the blueberries that have been coated with flour. This is one of my favorite combinations. I love blueberry lemon. And I love the way the blueberries look after they've baked and they've kind of bursted open. I don't know if you can see the lemon zest in here. All right, so let me grab the spring form pan and I'll be right back. So here I have the spring form pan. I'm doing this to make it easier to remove the cake from that bottom part once it's finished baking. I'm just going to go through and cut some of the excess off. All right, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to spray the pan with some pan baking spray so that we don't have any sticking around the edges. And now we're going to layer the cake batter and the cheesecake batter. So I'm going to start with the cake batter. Now I'm going to go in with some of the cheesecake batter. Go in with the rest of the cake batter. Cheesecake batter. So I'm just kind of leveling things out a bit. When I coated the blueberries with flour, I left some aside just to sprinkle on top. All right, so our oven has been preheated to 350 degrees. This will bake for about an hour to an hour 15. I will adjust that time as needed, but when I'm done, I'll let you guys know exactly how long it takes in my oven. So I'll see you guys when it's time to take it out. So here is the cake after 1 hour, 15 minutes in the oven. I'm gonna let it hang out in the pan for about 10 minutes and then I'll be back to remove the outer ring. Now I'm going to leave the cake here to cool off. I'm going to let it come to room temperature and then I'll remove the cake from the bottom portion of the spring form pan. After that, I'll place it in the refrigerator for a bit and then I'll bring you guys in for a closer shot and then we're going to cut the cake so you can see what the inside looks like. We've made it to the end of the video. Here we have the finished product, the Blueberry Lemon Cheesecake Cake. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. I would greatly appreciate it. Guys, I really enjoyed this cake. I did go back and forth about whether or not to add a glaze to it, but I'm glad I didn't because it was just the right amount of sweetness and it was broken up a bit by the tartness of the blueberries. So 10 out of 10, highly recommend if you're a fan of cheesecake and cake. This is the perfect combination. If you guys have any requests, if there's anything you would like to see me make, leave that down below in the comment section. As always, I thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.